Welcome to the place where facing challenges, generating positive changes, and achieving growth is possible. This is the philosophy of Grant Thornton, Mexico. We are a Mexican accounting and advisory firm with nearly 40 years of experience in providing personalized, professional services to privately held businesses and public interest entities of various industries in our country. Our approach is based on a genuine interest in our clients, their challenges, and business plans. In today's business world and complex economy, without evolution and adaptation, self-preservation is not possible. New and better ideas help us to grow, to transform, and force us to be competitive. Proactive teams led by approachable partners apply technical knowledge, insights, experience, and professional excellence to understand and solve the specific needs of each client. We specialize in audit, tax, advisory, outsourcing, and transfer pricing services. We guarantee high-quality services, added value, personalized attention, and effective communication with our clients' senior management. Our solutions are not pre-designed. We care about listening to your needs, understanding them, and responding appropriately. We confront challenges with solutions in accordance with standards and principles, adding value. Grant Thornton, Mexico is the 5th largest accounting firm in the country, according to the International Accounting Bulletin. We have won a Corporate Social Responsibility Award and have been recognized as one of the best places to work in Mexico. We have a highly qualified team of nearly 800 professionals located throughout the country, providing services wherever your company decides to have operations, with the support of the Grant Thornton Global Network. We center our approach in the ability to reinvent business models, taking as a base your company's experience and the knowledge of your customers. This is our Global Strategy 2020, Growing Together. Pursue the best experience for our clients and our talent with intelligence, flexibility, and commitment, considering market changes, using technology breakthroughs, and business modernization. This is the image of commitment, of progress, and of excellence. We are Grant Thornton, Mexico, and we have an instinct for growth.